Hey guys, come close. Okay, so today we got a pasta zucchini cream sauce without any cream. So with this pasta dish, we're gonna create a zucchini cream sauce, but without any cream. We're gonna use the egg yolks and pasta water to create that creamy consistency that we want. We're also gonna add in some onions, some garlic, some Parmigiano-Reggiano, but I call it Reggie, some chili flakes, and of course zucchini. I love zucchini. I love zucchini.
I love zucchini. I love zucchini.
So let's start by slicing up some zucchini rounds to fry up. Add a little bit of salt on them to release some moisture, and then just before frying, we'll pat them dry with a paper towel. We're then gonna cut the remaining zucchinis in half to remove the seeds. I remove the seeds to help get a smoother puree, but also sometimes they can be bitter, but it's personal preference, so it's up to you. And we're just gonna chop up the rest of the zucchini, however you like. The smaller the better because it'll speed up the cooking time. Slice up a couple of garlic cloves, and then finally chop half of a sweet onion. Grate about a cup of Reggie, Parmigiano-Reggiano, but do it on the box grater where the holes protrude out. That way the cheese will be nice and fine, and when we mix it with the pasta, it'll melt better and create a smoother sauce. Next we add the egg yolks. I do about 2 egg yolks for every 4 people. Add the Reggie to the egg yolk and whisk to create a nice creamy texture. Just like that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Now it's time to fry up those zucchini rounds. Add extra virgin olive oil to a pan and fry those suckers up until they're nice and golden brown. Then we'll set aside on a plate lined with paper towel. Now in a clean pan, add some more extra virgin olive oil, add the butter, add the onion and garlic, some chili flakes, season with salt and pepper, and then the zucchini. Cook the zucchini until they're nice and tender, then you're gonna set aside in a bowl so that we can blend. At this time, we're gonna get the pasta cooking, so add some salt to boiling water and cook. While the pasta is cooking, add the zucchini to the blender with a little bit of pasta water and blend. Blend the mixture until you get a nice, smooth, luxurious texture. You don't want any little pieces left behind. That's how it should look. Then add a little bit of pasta water to your pan along with the pasta. Remember, we're gonna take the pasta out 2 to 3 minutes before finished cooking because we're gonna finish it in the sauce. Add the zucchini mixture and mix and toss, adding more pasta water if needed. Remove your pan off the heat, and now we're gonna add the egg yolk mixture. Quickly toss and mix to incorporate everything. The reason we take the pan off the heat is to avoid scrambling the egg. You might know this technique from one of my favorite dishes, pasta carbonara. Finish with those fried zucchini slices, plate your dish, and top with freshly cracked pepper. All right, time to try it. I can't get over how creamy this dish is. There's no cream in it. Now, can we talk about that puree and how good it is? Zucchini, garlic, onions, chili flakes, all blended together. That in and of itself is a dish. Add it to the pasta, and of course, we have the fried zucchini with the freshly cracked pepper just to give it that bite. Really well-rounded dish. Now, let's talk about the eggs. I get it. If you don't want to use the egg mixture, you don't have to. But if you want to take it from here to here and really give it that extra luxurious flavor, I would use the egg mixture. Trust me, eating some of the same pasta dishes over and over again can get boring. Not for me because I can eat it 7 days a week. But you know, you have your tomato-based sauces, your white cream sauces. But this is different and it's delicious. So I hope you guys try it. Add it to your pasta rotation. And if you do, let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna get back to this. I'll see you next Thursday. Ciao.